Hello everyone, and so for today's video I'm going also to share you again another Spanish vocabularies for you to improve your Spanish language learning. And so for today's video, just a bit of tip. Why do I'm passionate in learning Spanish? First and foremost because my grandmother is also Española. So I've got the nose. Charot. And historically, as Filipinos was once colonized by the Spaniards for over 300 years, so mostly some of the words that we are using every day are Spanish language. And so for today's video, I'm going to teach you the common Spanish words. So yesterday I teach you again the basic ones like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And so for today's video, the most common used words in Spanish. So let's start with, by the way, this is my notes. So I'm having my notes here whenever I have my studies in Spanish language. So I'm sharing you all my notes here. And for today's words is nice to meet you, or you can say mucho gusto. Or when you are introducing your name, you say me llamo es Mona Lisa, or you can say my name is me llamo es Mona Lisa, or you can say me llamo es Pedro or Maria, me llamo. Okay, I'm fine, thank you. You can say estoy bien, gracias. Do you speak Spanish? Or when you're asking that person if he knows how to speak Spanish, you can say, ¿hablas español? Always remember the word that you don't pronounce the H, so you pronounce it as ¿hablas español? Do you speak Spanish? ¿Hablas español? Or you can say, solo un poco. Solo un poco is only a little bit. No, I don't speak Spanish. Or no hablo español. No hablo español. And when you ask that person, what is their nationality? You can say, ¿cuál es tu nacionalidad? ¿Cuál es tu nacionalidad? Soy de Filipinas. And you can say, I'm from the Philippines. You say, soy, me is soy. Hindi soy sosa. Soy de Filipinas. Ayan. So, and you, you're asking that same person, and you, what is your nationality? You say, ¿y tú? ¿Qué es tu nacionalidad? And you can say, what are you doing? You can say, ¿qué estás haciendo? Amiga, ¿qué estás haciendo? My friend, what are you doing? Okay. I'm on a business trip. Shala, yayamanin. You can say, in Spanish, you say, estoy en viaje de trabajo. I'm on a business trip. Estoy en viaje de trabajo. Very good. You can say, muy bien, amiga, muy bien, amigo. So when you are referring to a woman, a friend, a female, you can say amiga, and male is amigo.